Welcome everybody. We're here at the ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. We're in Hall 5 at the NEC booth, and my name is Niels Karsten. I'm the Strategic Alliance Manager within NEC Display Solutions Europe. And we're super excited about what we're showing here behind my back is a solution that we built together with Tripleplay and with Brightsign. So Brightsign has their OPS, which is the HO523, which can deliver the stream straight into the display that we get from the Tripleplay solution here. That's actually a solution that the market was desperately waiting for, and everybody was looking for NEC displays supporting Brightsign, supporting Tripleplay, and here it is. So we're excited showing it here at the show. And if you want more information, feel free to go to the Brightsign website, find more about the OPS, go to the Tripleplay website, find out about their technology and their IPTV capabilities. Very powerful system, great company, or go to the NEC website and find more information. Thank you so much for watching this video and enjoy the show. Thank you.